The 10.26-inch portable CarPlay screen offers seamless wireless connectivity with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing drivers to access navigation, calls, and messaging while maintaining focus on the road. Featuring a high-definition IPS touchscreen, this device delivers stunning visuals with its anti-glare display and 1600 by 600 resolution, enhancing the driving experience with crystal-clear images. The device supports AirPlay and Android Cast, enabling users to mirror their smartphone's content onto the larger screen, which is perfect for watching videos with richer colors and improved clarity. Equipped with a high-definition dual-camera system, including a front camera and a 1080-pixel waterproof reverse camera, this product ensures clear visibility of the road under various conditions. The integrated audio system, complete with high-quality built-in speakers and FM functionality, provides an immersive in-car music experience, easily connecting to the vehicle's existing stereo via Bluetooth or aux. Designed for a wide range of vehicles, this plug-and-play stereo system can be easily installed without complex procedures, making it a versatile addition to any car, bus, or truck.